In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best drill presses in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. For the woodworking pro who needs both a drill press and a sander, the Shop Fox drill press doesn't disappoint, as the drill bit can be easily removed and replaced with a sanding pad. The oscillating movement, orbital movement combined with the spinning motion, of the sanding feature produces a smooth surface without leaving scratches or cross-grain marks like non-oscillating sanders can. The drill press is fitted with a 2-inch disc port that connects to a standard shop vacuum for wood dust control. The work table tilts up to 90 degrees in both directions, and the user can select from 12 different speeds, ranging from 250 to 3050 revolutions per minute. The maximum hole depth is 3 1/4 inches, and holes can be drilled up to 6 1/2 inches from the edge of the material. The round work table measures 12 3/8 inches in diameter, and the floor base can be bolted down to a concrete floor or anchored with heavy sandbags or gym weights. Number 4. Drilling through metal is a different experience than working with woods or plastics. Since metal densities vary, you need a drill press that is highly adaptable for different types of metal. The DEWALT 1622K magnetic drill press specializes in drilling through steel or similar metals with a 2-speed, 10-amp motor and 4-inch drill travel. Its magnetic base lets you position the tool on any ferrous material that's at least 1 by 2 inch thick. The maximum size bit the tool can accept is 2 inches in diameter. The press has overload protection electronics that prevent motor burnout and extend the life of the tool. It includes a coolant tank that you can position as needed while you work. The lower speed setting revs up to 300 revolutions per minute, and the higher setting is up to 450 revolutions per minute, allowing you to easily penetrate even very hard metals. At 35 pounds, the drill press is fairly heavy, but it's a sturdy, powerful tool. Number 3. If you don't mind giving up some performance and control out of the drill press, the Win 4280 is a reasonably priced alternative that won't break the bank. The press sacrifices the more flexible variable control dial for a 5-speed switch that extends all the way to 3140 revolutions per minute. The 1x3 horsepower motor will get the job done on small to medium jobs and common construction materials, including very hard woods. A cast iron base securely mounts to most work tables for a sturdy, stable hold. The included 6.5-inch x 6.5-inch beveling table is small but flexible, allowing you to tilt the drilling surface up to 45 degrees for angled drilling. This drill press has an 8-inch swing and a 2-inch stroke distance, meaning it's not designed to handle large, thick materials. The slots in the table are even large enough to accommodate mounting clamps and vices to secure the drilling surface to the table while tilting. Number 2. If you're in the market for the best drill press for woodworking, then you need to check out this model from Jet. This company has a long history of making excellent drill presses, and this is no exception. It has one of the biggest spindle ranges of any drill press, which makes it easy to get the depth you need with a quick turn of the handle. One of the biggest issues with drill presses is that the speed is difficult to adjust. You usually need a few tools and a bunch of time to get the job done. Thankfully, that is not the case with this drill. You only need one hand to quickly and easily switch to one of the 16 different speed settings. This drill also has a humongous upper limit, making it great for any project you have in mind. Something else that makes drilling with this press a pleasure is the table. Not only is it big enough to accommodate large projects, but it is also grooved. These grooves make it quick and easy to line up your project and center your holes. The table can also be moved up and down the column, which will allow you to complete those larger of projects. The only real downside of this otherwise excellent press is the chuck key. It is, unfortunately, a bit difficult to use, which makes changing bits a bit tricky, especially on smaller bits. However, as long as you are sure to tighten it up as much as you can every time, you should be good to go. The quill also tends to vibrate a bit on higher RPM, so keep that in mind, so your projects don't get damaged in any way. Number 1. All too easy to find the wrong drill press for your needs while shopping. Plenty of options promise the power you need for most construction projects, but fail to deliver when needed. The 12-inch variable press, with a 12-inch swing and 1/8-inch stroke distance, is designed to skip the overselling and simply offers a powerful, straightforward drill press for your shop. With a maximum speed of 3,200 revolutions per minute and variable speed dial, the power and control this top-choice press offers is clear. The benefit of a variable speed dial is you can change the speed while maintaining the same power and torque you may need for denser materials. Using high-quality bearings and a rigid frame, the body of this drill press will withstand heavy use without damage to the inner workings of the power tool. If you need a drill press you can count on to work time and time again, this option is hard to beat. Our product tester appreciated the tool's easy, reliable operation, as well as the easy-to-use speed adjustment, the accurate laser for precise measurement, and the helpful built-in work light. His final verdict was that this is an excellent drill press for the average DIYer or hobbyist, although it's not quite powerful enough for a professional or anyone who needs the utmost in drilling strength. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.